Nature reveals its beauty in silence and harmony. Flowing rivers, towering mountains, endless skies, and gentle winds stand as signs of God's magnificent creation. Every leaf, every drop of water, and every breath of fresh air invites us to pause, reflect, and feel deep gratitude. In nature's balance, we are reminded of our role as caretakers, not owners. Protecting the earth is an act of responsibility, worship, and respect for the blessings God has entrusted to us and to future generations.